Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Netflix application here. So if it will start automatically playing that preview for the TV show, which can be distracting and annoying, especially if the sound is turned on. So that's one type of autoplay, and another type of autoplay is when you are done with a TV show or movie, it will start to automatically play the next TV show or movie, maybe in that series or season, or just whatever it recommends. You can turn both of those by opening up a web browser. So on a web browser on your phone or on your computer or tablet or whatever, we are going to go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Unfortunately, you cannot do this in this app. After we have done that, we are going to tap on the three lines in the top left, and then we are going to tap on account right under your profile. Now we are into account, scroll down, and you will be able to see profile and parental controls. Now you need to do this for each specific profile. It is not available for the entire account. You need to do it on each one. Let's tap on this one here, and then if we scroll down, you can see playback settings. I can tap change right here, and you will see at the very top autoplay the next episode in a series on all devices. I can check that off to turn it off, and then autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. You can uncheck this as well. So now it will essentially not autoplay anything. I can hit save here, and then of course I can tap to play if I want to play, but it will not automatically start playing autoplay for previews as well as the next episodes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.